Hi, now I want to show you how to create Gmail account. So you need to open browser like Safari, Google Chrome or Firefox and come to Google homepage like google.co.in or google.com and click Gmail or search for Gmail. After click on that, after click this first option or click on sign in. There are several ways to create Gmail account. You can click sign in. After click create account. Click on that. There is two options. One is personal account creation. Another one is business account creation. You can click personal account creation and enter your first name. For example, I enter name here like San and enter your last name. If you don't have last name, you can enter same as San, and Gmail suggest some account name. If you don't like it, you can choose another one. I searching for San 1983. It is available or not, and click outside. See, this is not available because this name already taken someone, and searching for other San 01 1983 and click outside. This is also taken by another person, so I searching something else. You can use symbols and numbers and words here. So I searching San 0109 1983 and click outside. See, this email ID is available. If you like it, you can continue next. Otherwise, you can search something else and enter password here. And confirm it. Password must have minimum 8 characters or more, and it's including letters, numbers and symbols. Otherwise it's coming this type of error. So you should enter numbers, letters and symbols included password. After that, click next. Now it's ask your phone number. You need to enter your phone number. Without phone number, it is not moving to next page. So please enter your phone number here and click next. One OTP sent to your entered mobile number. So please see that message and enter that OTP here. After click verify button. After enter your date of birth. First enter your birth month. After enter birth date. After enter birth year and enter your gender. After click next button and click yes I am in button and scroll up. Click agree Google terms and conditions See, now your Gmail account has been created. You can sign out here or click this menu button and click Gmail option. See, created Gmail account is loading. See, this is Gmail account. You can customize here several things. You can click see all settings. See, there is several options available for customization. You can set it up later. You can change themes here and click set themes and choose any one theme for attractive home page and click save. Now Gmail account ready to use. You can sign out from here and click sign out.